Alright, here's a construction I want to show you which you might work out is somehow seasonal. I'm marking a point on this line as the centre of a smallish circle. Well, good start. There we go. And then we're going to draw a larger circle centred somewhere further right. So we have two circles and we have one point here marked. We're going to go around this point every 30 degrees. We could do more, but it gets a bit messy. So these will need marking off as rays all the way through both circles, so that this lines up vaguely accurately. So those are our rays from our centre. If you wanted to be more precise with your final result, you could do more of these, but it does get messy. So from the inner circle we are going to draw horizontals out, so parallel to this. Because this is equal, we know they're going to go through both of those. So we're going to go out horizontally and out horizontally, and do the same down here. Out horizontally, out horizontally, out horizontally. And by horizontal I mean parallel to this, but we've got a slight error here with this accuracy, but it was close enough for rock and roll. From these we're going to do verticals from the outer edge, and this point here came from the same ray. We'll do the same on this one, where we get that point and that point. This will have met there. No, it won't. It will have met there and there. This one will need to go here and here, so it's that point and that point. These will go here and here and that point. So these points that we found can be smoothly drawn, smoothly joined, and depending exactly what size circle you picked and exactly what offset you picked, this will look more or less like the shape we are thinking might be seasonal at this time of year. So this is an ovoid, which is a posh name for an egg-like shape. If you pick the parameters just right and you get your circles to be just the right size, you can draw yourself an egg. And now we've got an egg, we can Easterize that as we see fit, can't we? So let's get ourselves... So experiment with different sizes of circle, experiment with how far apart the two centres are, and by all means, if you're feeling creative, colour better than me, because after all I am the maths teacher. Enjoy!